Hi guys, this is Pabbly Connect workshop. In this video, you will learn how to integrate You Can Book Me to Pipedrive. You Can Book Me is an awesome scheduling software and Pipedrive is a CRM tool. So what we're trying to do is anytime a new booking is created in You Can Book Me, that data will be automatically created as an activity in Pipedrive. However, You Can Book Me and Pipedrive are two different companies, hence there is no data flow between them. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate You Can Book Me to Pipedrive. It is actually an easy two-step process. Let me show you how it's done. So first of all, you have to visit the website called as Pabbly Connect. This is the website. Here click on sign in. When you click on sign in, you will be brought to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now bring your attention to this part called as Connect. Here click on Access Now. At the right corner, you will find a button called as Create Workflow. Just click it. When you click on this button, a dialog box appears in front of you. Here it is asking you to enter a workflow name. I am going to give it as You Can Book Me to Pipedrive. You can book me to Pipedrive. Then click on Save. When you click on Save, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the Choose app, change it from webhook to You Can Book Me. In the choose method, let's keep it as new booking. So the idea is that whenever there is a new booking in You Can Book Me, the system will trigger. So essentially at this point, we are trying to connect You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect. So let's go to You Can Book Me. And as you can see, I have a ton of booking profiles. I'm at present interested in this profile, 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆. I'm going to connect this booking profile to Pabbly Connect. Click this. Okay, so at the left side, you will find this option called as notifications. Click this. As you can see, there are a set of options. These are actually called as triggers. These are essentially a bunch of if statement. For example, if a new booking is made, what should be done? If it is rescheduled, what should be done? Since we are only interested in new booking, let's click this. So as you can see, You Can Book Me has already given a set of action, like it is going to send a confirmation mails to both parties, like the owner as well as the booker. But we also want to create an activity in Pipedrive. That is why we are going to click on this plus button. So as you can see, it is again giving more option like sending an email or the SMS, but we are more interested in creating an activity in Pipedrive. So that is why we are going with webhooks. Okay, so we are going to create a webhook here. So in the webhook name, let's keep it as booking created API call. And in this option, when will this webhook be triggered? Let's keep it as 0 minutes. Now comes the most important part, the URL. To get the URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want and paste it here. In the HTTP method, change it from get to post. Now in the payload, you can see the default JSON codes of You Can Book Me has only 2 data fields, name and email. But we want more data fields of the customer like the last name, booking duration, etc. So I'm going to add a bunch of extra codes. So as you can see, I have added some extra codes. It is just easy. All you have to do is enter double quotes, then add a text like the last name, separate it with a colon, and add double quotes and place curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets enter the short code. Okay, if you wanted to keep it as a default, it works fine too. I just want more data fields, that's all. Then click on Save Changes. Okay, so it is showing that the booking profile has been saved. So basically what we have done here is we have connected this booking profile to Pabbly Connect. Now let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from this booking profile. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on Capture Webhook Response. Okay, it is showing that it is waiting for a webhook response. So let's click on live booking. Let's create a response. And a dummy customer is going to schedule a class. Let's say he is interested in this. Okay, so I'm going to fill in the details, the dummy details of a customer. So the first name is Aaron, the last name is Manuel, the email is aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. The start time is Friday, October 16, 2020 at 11 AM. The duration is of 1 hour. Of course, I'm not a robot. Then confirm booking. Okay, so the booking has been scheduled for 𝗪𝗵𝘆 class and the dummy customer is Aaron. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. Go to Pabbly Connect. Yes, the data has been captured. The first name is Aaron, the last name is Manuel. The email is aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com and the booking length, that means the duration, is of 1 hour. So our integration is working fine. we have successfully connected You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect, and Pabbly Connect has captured the data. So we have to sync this data to Pipedrive. To do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, a window appears. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, change it to Pipedrive. Pipedrive, okay, this one. In the Choose method, since we are interested in creating an activity, just change it to Create an Activity. This one. Then click on Connect. Okay, in Select Your Credentials, let's keep it as New Credentials. In the parameters, we have to enter the API token. To get the API token, let's go to Pipedrive. Here is the profile. Look at Company Setting, this part. Click it. And bring your attention to this part called as Personal Preferences. Click this. And here you will find at the corner API. Click this. Copy this. This is the API token we want, and paste it here. Then click on Save. Okay, so the Pipedrive has been essentially connected to Pabbly Connect. So we have to map in the details. So let's say in the subject, we are going to type the customer's name. Name, that is Aaron. The last name is Manuel. Organization is, let's change it to Ashirai if you are interested. Assign it to Ashirai, that is me, basically me. Person is Ashirai. Deal, is deal done? No. Call, let's keep it as meeting. Due date, we are going to map it, start date, okay, and this is the format we have to follow. Due time, yes, that's the end time, yes. Duration, it was for 1 hour, yes. Okay, so we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, the API response is showing that the data has been sent to Pipedrive. So let's check in Pipedrive whether we have an activity of Aaron Manuel. So Pipedrive, it is mail activities here. Yes, we have an activity of Aaron Manuel. So the presence of this activity shows that we have successfully connected You Can Book Me to Pipedrive with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new booking is created, the data will be automatically inserted in Pipedrive. But for your satisfaction, let's check it one more time if the integration is working fine or not. To do that, let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let's first save this. Okay. Minimize this, save this, okay, and minimize this. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in the nutshell. First you have integrated You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Pipedrive. So there is a perfect flow of data between You Can Book Me to Pipedrive. So let's go back to You Can Book Me and let's schedule one more event as a dummy customer. Okay, so this time I'm going with 4 p.m. Okay, the first name, let's say this time I'm going to add as Elizabeth Hurley. Email is eliza123@gmail.com. Okay. Duration is of 1 hour. I am not a robot. Confirm booking. Okay, so in the 𝗪𝗵𝘆 class, a person called as Elizabeth has confirmed a class with him from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So let's see whether in the activities, whether we have a person called as Elizabeth. So let's go to Pipedrive. Yes, we have activity of Elizabeth Hurley. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a booking is created in your You Can Book Me, the data will be reflected in Pipedrive. Also, you should know not just You Can Book Me and Pipedrive, you can integrate a ton of applications using Pabbly Connect. Thanks.